6.3 Example number 3 in as shown in figure, two poles of height 8 meter and 4 meter are perpendicular to the ground. If the length of shadow of smaller pole due to the sunlight is 6 meter, then how long will be the shadow of bigger pole at the same time? From given example, we have given figure. In first triangle ARQ, PR given 4 meter and QR given 6 meter. In second triangle ABC, AC is given 8 meter and BC we have to find. If we observe this figure, we have given one angle is a right angle in both triangle, and at the same time the ray of shadow and vertical line, the angle between these two lines are equal. Hence angle QPR and angle BAC also equal. By AA test, both triangles are similar to each other. In triangle PQR and triangle ABC, angle QPR is congruent to angle BAC. The reason is both are equal because ray of sunlight. Angle PRQ congruent to the angle ACB. Reason is both angle are 90 degree. Hence triangle PQR similar to the triangle ABC by the similar test AA. If two triangles are similar, then their corresponding sides are in proportion. The side PQ and side AB we have to not consider. Hence PR upon AC is equal to QR upon BC because the sides are in proportion. Putting the value, PR is 4, AC is given 8 is equal to 6 upon x. We have to find the value of x. Hence the cross multiplication, x is equal to 8 into 6 divided by 4. 8 and 4 will be cancelled. 2 is remaining numerator. 2 into 6, that is 12. Thus we find the value of x is equal to 12 meter. Hence the shadow of the bigger pole is 12 meter. Point 3. Example number 4. Triangle ABC. AP is perpendicular to BC. BQ is perpendicular AC. P is between B and C Q is between A and C, then prove that triangle CPA is similar to the triangle CQB. If AP is equal to 7, BQ is equal to 8, BC is equal to 12, then find AC. In triangle ABC, segment AP is perpendicular to the BC. Segment BQ is perpendicular to the AC, and point P is between point B and C. Point Q is between A and C. This is our given figure. In this highlight triangle BCQ, in this triangle angle BQC, that is 90 degree, angle BCQ, this angle is noted. Point out this angle. In this triangle APC, angle APC is 90 degree, and angle ACP, here is a point out that angle. In first triangle this angle, and in this triangle this angle are common. In triangle APC, angle APC is 90 degree and angle ACP is here given. In triangle BQC, angle Q is 90 and C is common. Hence, both triangles are similar by the test AA test. In triangle CPA and triangle CQB, angle ACP congruent to angle BCQ. The reason is common angle. Angle APC congruent angle BQC. The reason is 90 degree. By test AA, triangle CPA similar to the triangle CQB. If two triangles are similar, then their corresponding sides are in proportional. Hence, PA upon QB is equal to CA upon CB. Putting the value 7 upon 8 is equal to CA upon 12. We have to find the value of CA. Hence, 7 into 12 upon 8. Then 4 will be cut. 3 is remaining numerator and 2 is denominator. CA is equal to 21 upon 2. Hence AC is equal to 10.5.